Hey everyone, welcome to my video on Google Bard versus AI ChatGPT, how to use Bard AI. In this video, I'm going to compare Google Bard and AI ChatGPT, two of the most powerful AI language models available today. I'll also show you how to use Bard AI to create content, brainstorm ideas, and answer your questions. So whether you're new to AI or you're just looking for a better way to get things done, I encourage you to watch this video and see how Bard AI can help you. What is Bard AI? Bard AI is an impressive large language model developed by Google AI. It has undergone extensive training on a massive dataset of text and code, equipping it with the ability to generate text, translate languages, produce various forms of creative content, and provide informative answers to inquiries. Bard AI represents a significant advancement in AI technology, enabling users to harness its power for a wide range of applications. What is AI ChatGPT? AI ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a large language model developed by OpenAI. Like Bard AI, it has been trained on a vast amount of text and code, allowing it to possess similar capabilities such as text generation, language translation, creative content writing, and the ability to provide informative responses to questions. AI ChatGPT is widely recognized for its versatility and effectiveness in natural language processing tasks. Google Bard versus AI ChatGPT. While Google Bard and AI ChatGPT are both highly capable language models, there are a few key differences between them that are worth highlighting. Google Bard is trained on a larger dataset of text, which provides it with a broader range of knowledge and enables it to generate more comprehensive and informative responses. With a greater exposure to diverse textual sources, Bard AI can offer a deeper understanding of various topics, leading to richer and more insightful outputs. Additionally, Google Bard is trained using self-supervised learning, which involves learning to generate text by analyzing large amounts of unlabeled text. This approach allows Bard AI to adapt and respond creatively to different scenarios, generating more original and innovative content. The self-supervised learning process empowers Bard AI to understand the structure, context, and nuances of language, which contributes to its impressive text generation capabilities. AI ChatGPT, while not trained on as extensive a dataset as Google Bard, has its own strengths. It has been widely used and has a large user base, making it more accessible to a broader audience. The versatility and reliability of AI ChatGPT have made it a popular choice for various applications, ranging from content generation to customer support interactions. How to use Bard AI? Now that we understand the power of Bard AI, let's explore how to make the most of this remarkable tool. Here are a few tips to help you navigate and effectively utilize Bard AI's capabilities. Asking questions. Bard AI excels at answering questions. Simply type in your question, and Bard AI will generate a response that addresses your inquiry. For best results, be specific and provide enough context to help Bard AI understand your question accurately. Idea generation. Bard AI can assist with brainstorming ideas. If you're stuck on a particular topic or need inspiration, simply input the topic, and Bard AI will generate a list of related ideas to spark your creativity. You can use these ideas as a starting point for your projects or explore new avenues for exploration. Text generation. Bard AI has the ability to generate text. Whether you need help writing an article, a creative story, or even a poem, Bard AI can be your virtual writing companion. Enter a prompt or a partial sentence, and Bard AI will generate a coherent piece of text to suit your needs. You can refine and customize the generated text further to align it with your preferences. Language translation. Need to translate languages? Bard AI has got you covered. Type in a sentence in one language, and Bard AI will seamlessly translate it into another language. This feature can be immensely useful for communication, research, or simply exploring different cultures and languages. Content editing. Bard AI can also assist with content editing. If you have a piece of writing that needs refinement or polishing, you can input it into Bard AI and ask for suggestions or improvements. Bard AI can provide insights, grammar corrections, and alternative phrasing to enhance your content. Creative writing. If you're looking for inspiration or need help in creative writing projects, Bard AI can be a valuable resource. You can provide a prompt or a scenario, and BARD AI will generate imaginative and engaging narratives, dialogues, or descriptions to kickstart your creativity. Research assistance. BARD AI can aid in your research endeavors. If you're exploring a specific topic or need information on a subject, you can ask BARD AI for relevant details, summaries, or even specific excerpts from scholarly articles or books. This can save you time and provide valuable insights. Personalized conversations. BARD AI is designed to engage in meaningful conversations. You can have interactive discussions with BARD AI on various topics, share your thoughts, and receive insightful responses. It can be a fun and interesting way to explore ideas or engage in virtual conversations. Google Bard and AI ChatGPT are both powerful AI language models that offer a range of applications. Google Bard's training on a larger dataset gives it a more extensive knowledge base, while AI ChatGPT boasts wider availability due to its popularity and widespread usage. Determining the best AI language model for your needs ultimately depends on the specific requirements of your tasks and your preference for a particular platform. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and useful. In the ever-evolving field of AI, both Google Bard and AI ChatGPT represent significant advancements in language processing capabilities. Whether you choose Bard AI or AI ChatGPT, incorporating these AI language models into your workflow can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. If you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and we'll be happy to assist you.